Denis Connolly was known as the Beetle Builder. He is my granddad, and this is his story. So my granddad had been invited down by Stephen O'Flaherty, who had got the lease for the first Volkswagens outside of Germany, and so he was really excited to take part of that. He was definitely a very modest man, who would never have sung his own praises, but it was always something we were really, really proud of. So my granddad's legacy has been so important to all of us. It's been passed down from my granny to my dad to me. This prize photo in all of our houses, we're really, really proud of my granddad and everything that he'd achieved. So when I heard it was coming back, it was amazing for me to get to create a new memory with my granddad, because I knew this is something he had touched and he had built. So the fact that I've gotten to go out and actually see what he's been able to do, it's been really special.
Oh my God. Oh, look at this. Oh my God.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Oh, stop.
It's beautiful.
Oh, that's unreal.
Denis Connolly was project manager in the first building of the Beetle in Ballsbridge, and it became known as the Ballsbridge Beetle, and also the first Beetle built outside of Germany.
Well, he started out university in Cork, and he did engineering, and it was through his landlady actually that she saw the ad for an assembly manager, and he applied and he became the Beetle Builder, which we had no concept of how famous that would become.
I feel like we've all just grown up with a photo of Grandad with it, so it's just so surreal.
Oh, I just think it's incredible.
As children, we didn't understand what a Beetle Builder was, and our father being part of this legacy that he has created. We just knew him as our dad. He was a super dad in our minds. Really only on his retirement that we began to understand the bigger picture about the Beetle when the photograph was taken.
He never forgot his roots or the family, and he just grew up with a strong belief in work ethic, and nobody deserved anything out of life. You had to go off and earn your way throughout life, but a very humble man.
You know, on the weekends, when he'd go out to the factory, he'd bring us with us, and of course it was great to run up and down the assembly line, see the Beetle from the shell all the way through to the complete model, ready to roll off the assembly line.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
It's a pocket reference book designed for the assistance of VW specialists.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
It's the engine, right?
This was never his story. This was a story of a group of people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was always about the team.
And he always absolutely was cognizant of everybody's contribution
completely.
to the final article, etc.
He'd be absolutely mortified that he's been picked out as the Beetle Builder. He would never, ever have seen himself as that. He would have always seen it as a team, always. Our clothes and everything. Oh, it's gorgeous.
The last time I saw this was down in Neeson Park.
Yeah.
It was amazing to see it again. It was a very emotional moment because it was the last time I saw it was with my father, and of course he's not here today.
I just thought of Dad.
Yeah.
I just thought, oh my God, this is what he did. It's the reality of it. You know, we can talk it and we can look at photographs, but it was actually to see something as big as a car, this famous car, and to think his hand was on this, and just, yes, just the pride, pure pride and just emotional.